You can forgive people without welcoming them into your life. Apology accepted, access denied. When you give them access into your life again, they are going to destroy you, because paper too is very powerful. You have to think about that. Forgive them where they are, they not close to you, because when you bring them closer, you don't know. It's difficult a person to change. You say that person is changed. Even in relationship, you say your partner change. What guys, a person can change. Your partner can change at that time because he wants you to accept him again. Once you accept him into your life, it is going to be waste or to destroy you, because what they do for you last time, it's more on what they are want to do to you again. So it's difficult a person to change. Apology accepted but access denied. Forgive them where they are there but not close to you. Even in friendship, a person, guys, can't change their behavior. Your friends, you say maybe my friend learn a lesson. People, they don't learn their lesson. A person who hates you, it hates you. It doesn't change anything. You understand? A person doesn't like you. Other people, they don't want to lose you, but they don't like you at all. You have to understand those things.